Hey guys, Nick Johnson. I'm here to talk to you about how to audit your Shell 401k, the Provident Fund. We often see high income earning professionals at Shell miss out on maximizing their savings and getting the most out of their company benefits. And the last thing you want is to miss out on tax saving opportunities. So how do we audit your 401k? This takes about 5 minutes. Step one, go to netbenefits.com or fidelity.com and log in. You want to navigate to the Net Benefits website. If you go to netbenefits.com, that's the easiest thing to do, and then click on Your Portfolio, top left. From your portfolio, you'll see something like this, the Shell Provident Fund. We're looking at your 401k, called the Shell Provident Fund. That's what you click on. Once you click on that, then you go to Summary in the top. Summary will give you an option to select Statements. So you want to hit Summary, then Statements. And if we're auditing your 401k, easiest thing to do is to look at what the numbers were for last year. So in this case, we're going to select a custom date range. In the custom date range, you want to put in January 1, 2023 to December 31st, 2023. Run that statement. Once we run that statement, you want to scroll down to about 2/3 of the way through the statement to get to the section that says Your Contribution Summary. This breaks down the contributions by source, and that's what's really important. Specifically, you want to be focusing on the employee after tax, the company contribution, and the employee pre-tax. You want to make sure these numbers are maxed out for the 2023 year. What you can see right here, this particular individual didn't contribute anything to the after-tax source, and they only put in $10,345, the employee pre-tax source. They left a lot of money on the table. If this particular individual was over 50, they could have put in $30,000, either pre-tax or Roth, into the 401k, plus an additional $10,500 after tax into the 401k. If they were under 50, they could have put in $22,500, either pre-tax or Roth, plus $10,500 after tax. There's a lot of reasons why you may end up missing the contributions. You set the wrong contribution limits. You earned more than $330,000 last year, so you got cut off making contributions after that threshold. But the first step is, did you leave any money on the table? And should you be doing things differently now that we're into 2024 already? Want to learn more? Make sure to subscribe so you can get other educational content on how to maximize your Shell benefits.